How to do cut paste in Mac OS. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel Create Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to cut and paste in Mac OS, open the folder you want to cut paste files from and now select the item. Press the Control key on your keypad and the right side of your mousepad together and you will see the option for copy. Or you can also use the combination of Command and C keys together and the item will be copied. Tap on that and now select the location where you want to paste. I want to create a new folder on the desktop and then paste the item there. So tap on the desktop first and now press the Control key on your keypad and the right side of your mousepad together and you will see the option for new folder. Tap on that and with this the folder is created. Open the folder and now to paste the file, press the Control key on your keypad and the right side of your mousepad together and you will see the option for paste item. Tap on that and the item will be pasted. You can also use the combination of Command and V keys together and the item will be pasted. This is how you can copy items from one place to another. In order to cut items from one place to another, select the item that you want to cut. Now, like before, if you press the Control key on your keypad and the right side of your mousepad together, you will see the option for copy but not see the option for cut anywhere. So select the item you want to cut and then press the combination of Command and X keys together and the item will be cut from its location. Now select the location you want to paste the item and press the combination of Command and V keys and the item will be pasted. And this is how you can cut and paste items in Mac OS. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.